In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Python 3.9 on a Windows 10 computer. Installing Python is an essential step for anyone interested in programming or data science, as it serves as the backbone for executing Python code right on your computer. This guide is designed to help you get set up with Python 3.9 quickly and efficiently in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to navigate to the official Python website, specifically to the release page for Python 3.9. The easiest way to do this is by entering Python 3.9 release into your preferred search engine, which should lead you directly to the page on python.org. Once you're on this page, take a moment to look around. This page contains valuable information about the latest Python version, including updates and fixes. Next, you'll find a section labeled Downloads. This area is crucial, as it's where you'll select the installer that matches your system requirements. Look for the Windows installer. There will generally be options for 32-bit and 64-bit versions. If you're uncertain which version is right for you, here's how to find out. On your computer, head over to the Settings menu and click on System. Under the About section, you'll see your system type. Make sure to download the corresponding installer so that your new Python version runs seamlessly on your computer. Once you've clicked the correct installer link, your download will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. While that's happening, let's briefly discuss why Python 3.9 might be the right choice for you. It includes a host of new features and optimizations over previous versions, making it both a powerful and efficient tool for developers. Whether you're developing applications or simply learning to code, having the latest version ensures you're making the most of recent improvements and security updates. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, which is most likely in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to begin the setup process. A window will pop up, guiding you through the installation. It's important to check the box that adds Python to your path. This step is crucial for ensuring that you can execute Python commands directly from your command line. Continue to follow the installer prompts, and once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen. Congratulations, you now have Python 3.9 installed on your Windows 10 system. You can verify the installation by opening Command Prompt and typing Python version to see the installed version number, and there you have it. With Python 3.9 now installed, you're ready to dive into programming. Whether you're creating your first script or developing complex systems, the tools at your disposal are now more robust than ever. Happy coding!